Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm making this beautiful bird painting with alcohol ink. And before I start, I just want to let you know some safety tips on alcohol ink art. So make sure to pause this video to read those points. And I'm using this Staples Ultra Premium photo paper. And normally I use the back side of the photo paper to make alcohol ink paintings, but you can feel free to use the other side also. And this is a high gloss photo paper, as you can see. That's why I'm slowing the video so you can look what paper I'm using. And this is about 9 inches by 12 inches. And normally I make flower paintings, but sometimes I do like to make paintings of fish or bird and other subjects. And for blending, I'm using this 91% isopropyl alcohol. I bought a small bottle from Amazon and I poured it into that. And I made an outline of the bird using a fine tip pen. And for the inks, I'm using blue violet. And this is forest green. And I put those inks on a wax paper on the side, and I use one of the pieces of wax paper to roll it and dip the paint and put it onto the drawing paper. And just to let you know, this is the back side of the photo paper, not the glossy side. For some reason, I like that side better. But you feel free to try on the other side also. So you just add some drops or lines using this rolled piece of paper. And I'm also using this color Glacier, which is almost like blue. So you get a different shade for the bird. And if this is your first time coming to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also click the bell icon. So whenever I post new videos, you will be the first one to get notified. And I really appreciate your support in referring your friends or sharing onto your Facebook groups, and really appreciate that. And I'm rolling another piece of paper and adding the forest green color. Just add little by little. And this is another color called botanical green. So I'm also adding that so I get a different shade. It's basically the same color, but just to get a different shade, I'm using different colors. Add some drops using the paper. You could also use brush for this technique, but somehow I like to use this wax paper. And now the dots are dry, so I'm adding the isopropyl alcohol. Like I showed you in the beginning of the video, it's 91% isopropyl alcohol. I add that and I blend using this mini blower or air puffer thing that I got from Amazon. You can search for air puffer, so you can buy that from Amazon. Once you add the isopropyl alcohol, you can blow it in different directions. Be gentle and keep it within the lines so you get a beautiful bird. wipe off excess paint from the edges, you can just add some isopropyl alcohol onto a tissue paper and then wipe it off. So this is the technique you can follow when you make a mistake, or you can clean the edges. And now I'm using this Cali Art markers. This is an alcohol ink based markers that I bought from Amazon as well. And just basically add some stem, leaves and other things using these markers.